Hello Stampers, this is Amy Barnes with Ink Stamps Paper, and today I am going to share a tip with you for the Snailed It stamp set that I think you're going to enjoy. It gives you a bonus stamp from the stamp set. Let me go ahead and just jump right into it. This is the stamp set, and it's an 8-piece stamp set according to the kit, but they lied. It's actually 9. So I'll show you what it is. So when you get your stamp set and you go to assemble it, the little call out bubble stamp actually has a hole cut out of it, and they do that so that when you're stamping it, if you press a little hard, you don't actually stamp that, ink this part and then have that transfer to your paper where you don't want it, so you just get the outline. But what that means is that when you're assembling the stamp, you should keep the little circle from inside, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to put that on my block, and it makes a perfect little polka dot. And it's not perfectly round, which gives it a little bit more character, but you can just create a fun little random polka dot pattern and have a lot of fun. And it's quick and simple, but it's a great way that you could add this like as a layer to a card, behind, as a stripe or whatever. But the little polka dot is a fun bonus stamp in this set. So when you're taking it apart and you're assembling it, don't throw this little guy away, keep him. And he's a little hard to get in and out of there, so I just have him stored separately on mine, on my background of my, back here in my case. So anyway, I hope you enjoy that little tip and have fun with the little polka dot that comes with your Snailed It stamp set. Have an awesome day, guys.